My name is Tajudeen Balogun. I'm from Ogun State. I was born and brought up in Lagos. I'm a boat driver. That is what I do for a living. Where I stay and grew up is Takwa Bay. This is my father's house. I went to school in this community, in the other community over there at Abago. My primary school is at Abago, Epiphany Anglican Primary School, Abago, Lagos. I was born in 1976, December 20. I'm 40 years old now. I haven't married, no kids. I'm still searching for a wife. I grown up in this village. I went to primary school in this village. So in my primary school days was very tight because there's no money in the community. So but with a try child, with a go school. I finished my primary 6, but my father only tell me to repeat. But then I said no, I don't repeat. So from there I have to just join the marine, so just to make money to feed myself, to feed my family. I lost my mom last year, so I'm hot, so I just don't know what I could do. So, but in the community, not only few time and let's say few time enjoyment, few time sorrow, because no light. I'm been here since I was 7 years old, and until now there's no light. And then my father was there before 20, no light. So we just manage. Oh, yeah. So. I started marine work since I was 10 years old with my father, because my father has a boat. So there is no any job I can do except marine job, because that is what my uncles are doing, Fiki, Tarzan, even my dad. So that is what I do for a living. I'm a boat driver. Sometimes I enjoy doing it because sometimes we get money, but sometimes it's not the job that citizens of Nigeria are supposed to do. At least I have one boat I'm using, so maybe when we are going, I can show you the boat we are parking there. I have boats I'm using, but for now there's no passenger anywhere. You only normally get passenger only Saturday and Sunday at Mekwen over there. A trip at Takwa Bay to Mekwen is 3,000 naira. So in a weekend, we load from Mekwen there to Takwa Bay Beach. It's 10,000 at to and fro. So each passenger is 500 naira. That's what we normally take. I wake up one day, I go to Mekwen. So normally the way I work, I go to my park where I work. So I have a customer that says I should come and take him to 15 miles inside sea. So me and my boat boy, we carry him. When we go, so as I drop the man on board the ship, my way coming back, my engine broke down. So that is why I start lost. So for 3 days, no food, no water, nothing. Say big fish for water, I know they disturb human being. Even whale, where they say they disturb, you know they disturb. Like now, I hear a story that dolphin is a friend to the whole human being in the world. But dolphin, no, they just see you for water, carry you. Like now, as that very day, as the engine get problem, where I start to destroy, I saw a lot of dolphin. Dolphin move from shore to shore. Dolphin never go from shore to sea. Dolphin never go from shore to deep. He go from shore to shore. Maybe if this place is shore, dolphin will jump over there. If this place is shore, dolphin will jump there. He will never jump from shore to sea. I saw many dolphins come near the boat to even try to rescue the boat, but nothing I can do. So. The small boy will carry for boats. Not only cry, just they cry because you never see big fish like that before. But me, I don't get the experience many times. We stay for the first night. The second night, I only tell my boys, say, make a pulling cloth come. I pull my own. I tear ram, so find nail down to the seat. and put it for the wind because the engine they work now again. So as the engine they work, so if he use the boat they drive again. So now the cloth now we put for against the breeze before it take us to the seaside. So let's say from 15 miles in the sea to one village calling Owerokun village in Ep.3 area. So when I come there in the after, because in the evening I sleep there in night and then I come back home. When I finished my primary 6, when I drop off from school, so my aim is to become an engineer. But because money no day, so I know if I become engineer. So I have to switch to marine just to have my living. So at least the small money they get for them, if they manage with our family and others. I feel maybe sometimes maybe my dream will come true because everything for Nigeria now when you get money, because if you don't get money nobody won't see you, nobody won't help you, understand me? So not only when you get money, but I always pray to my God every day. Maybe one day if you open my dreams, you let my dream come true. So maybe like tomorrow now, if I make money, so the help what I will give to these communities. First thing, maybe if I be like governor of this country, of this state, or I be president of Nigeria tomorrow, the first thing I will do to this community, because now for this community I will grow, I'll spend all my life, everything. So the first step is to give them light. The second one, to give them good life, good education. Some of the teachers where they bring come here, Wetin they do with the students is different. Some of them will send the student to go and buy something when the lecture time is, when they're supposed to do lecture. Some of them send the student to go pick pure water. So now wrong thing, you understand me? So like me, if I can be governor or president tomorrow, light, good health, that is it.